might have been seeing this coming, but maybe not. There's a connection now between integration and differentiation, and it's going to be official now in this section. The author proves a theorem called the fundamental theorem of calculus, and we are going to use that and practice with that and learn it and understand it. The theorem, not the proof of the theorem. All right, so in here, this is the big one here. This is it. Okay, and all it says is that if you want to find this definite integral, you just need to find an antiderivative and find this difference between the values of the antiderivative at the upper limit and the lower limit of the integral. Okay, easier said than done, but that's it. That's all it is. We no longer have to use Riemann sum to calculate this definite integral. Don't have to do that for practical purposes. All we need is to do this subtraction here, this evaluation. So let's concentrate on a couple examples. And let's see. Concentrate on a couple examples here. Okay, so let's find an antiderivative first of all. 2x to the third over 3 plus an x. Now, typically we use this notation here to indicate that we are going to evaluate this like so. 2/3 times 2 to the third plus a 2 minus 2/3 times 0 to the third plus a 0. Okay, now many times you'll get zeros in these products, but not always, so be careful with the evaluations. This one here will be what, 2 times 8 is 16/3 plus 2, and that is 7 1/3. Now, you remember this one, maybe you don't. We calculated this numerous ways, and they weren't all that short. Look how fast this is now. So this should give you an appreciation. Having to do that work that we did back then should give you an appreciation for this, the power of this new formula that we have here. This is the power of this theorem. So let's continue. Since that one was so fast, let's just do another one here. Let's try to keep this short. Okay, so here it is. Start right in finding the antiderivative. So x to the fourth over 4 plus an x, -3 to 3. Okay, evaluate it from -3 to 3. So that means we have 3 to the fourth over 4 plus a 3 minus -3 to the fourth over 4. And that had to be a -3 there. So that's 81 over 4 plus 3 minus, this would be 81 over 4 minus 3. So that's 81 over 4 plus 3, and then minus 81 over 4 and plus 3. So it looks like we're just going to get a 6 out of that.